Hey everybody, it's Lynette with the Skin Candy. Welcome back. We have been gone for a hot minute, and things in our world have just kind of gone crazy, and things have started to mellow out, so we figured we could get back on the channel and start making some soap. So today we are going to be making a batch of our solid dish bars. You guys have loved it so much that we keep selling out, and I actually had a special request for some soap with the dish soap with no fragrance. So I've got all my oils in here. I'm going to be doing the heat transfer method. I have all my oils and my stearic acid in here, and then in here I have got citric acid, sodium lactate, the sodium hydroxide, which is the lye, water, and some sugar to help with bubbles. So we're just going to add this in here, and let's hope that it really does melt everything down. To be honest, last time I tried this, it didn't go so well. So hopefully we're going to get it. I just made the lye so it's piping hot. And we're just going to go ahead and let's get soaping. This does take about 5 minutes to complete, maybe a little bit longer. I didn't cut up my coconut oil very well. So while we're stirring this, I guess I'll just sit and chat with you. Things have been crazy in our shop. My business partner and daughter Alex, the other half of Skin Candy, had a baby. And that was a joy to us because she has suffered with PCOS and infertility for several years. So she has her little boy's almost 5, and now he has a new little sister. We got a humongous contract in June for 25,500 soaps. So we had 20 of one kind, and then 5,000, no, I don't know, 15 of one kind and 5,000 of two other kinds, I guess is what it was. So that kind of took up all of our time, our effort, it was crazy. We had to hire people to come in. We were working incredibly long hours to get this contract done, and by October 10th we had it finished. We had all the soaps out the door. We not only had to make them and cut them, which doesn't seem all that hard, but we actually had to stamp them as well. We had to have a stamp made for them, and we had to have people that just came in, and all day long that's all they did was stamp soap. And we just went through it like crazy, and then as soon as we were done with that, we got another contract for 25,000 piece order. It was shaving soap, which is something I'll be showing you guys later, and scrub and lip balms, and a pain stick, which is another thing we'll be showing you guys and bringing to our my gosh, I can't talk today, bringing to our websites here soon. So as you guys can see, look at that, how much is already, this is looking a lot better than my first batch. I think I let my lye sit too long before I did that. So anyways, we did a 25,000 piece order. What are you right here? And we got that done. I guess we had 6 weeks to get that done. We actually started the end of September with that and got that done for another client. So, and then in November, we, of course, holidays were coming up, and then my daughter had her baby a couple weeks early, and so we were dealing with that, and then I got sick. Not the sick that everybody's getting. I just got my winter cold. Usually that happens to me all the time whenever I get run down for too long. My body just gives up after I slow down. So for 3 weeks I was sick, and then the week before Christmas we lost my nephew, Parker, to a drug overdose, an accidental drug overdose, and so we have been going down, and we went down and I sang at the funeral, and most of my kids were there, and we had a lot of family that showed up to support Carol and Scott, my sister and her husband and their kids, and to show Parker how much we love him and that we miss him. Then we had Christmas, and then January came, and I'm going to go ahead and stick blend this for just a few minutes, just a few seconds, and I'll come back and talk to you and tell you about the rest of my life. So I'm going to put everything in here. I'm going to put everything in my, this is my silicone dahlia. I have dahlias and sunflowers. And I'm going to fill these up. And we'll just fill those up. And then we will add some citrus. I think I'm out of citrus splash, so I need to make some more of those. So I'm going to make hopefully a dozen of these and a dozen of the citrus. We'll see what happens. So that's our life. We're hoping for big things to come in 2022, and we hope that 2021 treated you guys well and that 2022 is looking great. I know we're only a little bit in, but I'm hoping that you guys will enjoy the channel. We would love to hear some feedback from you guys, what you guys would like to see and hear. Would you guys like to see more techniques? What kind of techniques would you like? Would you like to see more of ASMR, like soap cutting and stirring and things like that? Would you like to see kind of behind the scenes? We want to know what you guys want to see, because we want to make you guys happy, because you guys are the ones that are subscribing. I'm going to set that off. I'm going to grab my citrus. That is it. This is a quick tutorial on our solid soap bars, and I will be back in just a few seconds, which is 24 hours for me, but 2 seconds for you, for the cut. Hi guys, we're back to unmold our unscented dishwashing bars, as well as the citrus eucalyptus that I made on the fly. So we're just gonna go ahead and get these unmolded, and you can see the process. And they come out very cleanly, very quickly. See if you can see that. See the detail on that, so cute. our cute little soaps. And make sure you check out our website, which is theskincandy.etsy.com, or you can go to our Shopify site, which is www.theskincandyllc.com. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let us know what you think of the channel, and let us know what you'd like to see. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.